Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos. When I wear my hair like this, a lot of times everyone's like, oh my goodness, like how did you do that? A lot of people say, oh, is that your natural curly hair? No, my natural curly hair is really straight and thin and flat, and no, this is not my natural curly hair. But what I used was this right here. It's a 3-barrel waver and it's super easy to do. Anyone can do it. All right, ladies, let's make this happen. So I'm gonna take a portion of my hair, put it up. It lasts in my hair for like 3 or 4 days. So throw some dry shampoo in, you're good to go. Really good for thin hair because it makes your hair look thicker, like instantly. And then this front part I would leave out. I'll show you what I do that in a second. I approximately count to 10 in my head, somewhere between 6 and 10, because I don't mind if they're all a little different. I'm going for like a really messy look. And I too like also, sometimes I like the second day better than the first day. And you gotta love a hairstyle that you like it better the second day. It relaxes a little bit and I just like it better, honestly, than the first day. So this front, I like to generally, like the way that I do everything else is like this, but I like to actually flip this backwards so that you're creating it to kind of go down, and it's not gonna have, see this big bubble right here? Like I don't like a big bubble like around my face like this, so I go down like this. I also do the very front piece a little more relaxed than the rest of my hair. Again, leaving the front pieces out, flipping this backwards, and doing it up and down. In this piece, I'm actually elevating up as high as I can. I want it to get a lot of volume up here. If you're not careful with the 3-barrel waver, sometimes you can look like I call it like a clown because it's like flat on the top and then it's like huge out here. You don't want to look like that. So, I really love this thing. Also, another thing I do to keep it tighter is I'll push up on this right here and it like presses down, so you push up on this button. Right here you can see how it goes like this. Again, we're going to turn it backwards. We're gonna do it this way. So what do you guys think about all of this corona? Like, there's so many different opinions. There's so many different opinions of like our president and what our president's doing and what he should be doing and what he shouldn't be doing. There's so many opinions. But I would like to hear some of yours. Like, what do you think? Think our president is doing the right thing, or do you think no, he should be doing something else? Let me know because I would love to know. The thing I love about the crimping is it doesn't have to be perfect. Like the point of it is to be messy, so it by no means has to be perfect. And so at night I'll put it up in a bun and then the next day it's still perfect. Again, this front part, I'm gonna flip it backwards and do it horizontal instead of sideways like I'm doing the rest of it. A lot of people ask me like, what do you recommend for getting height on the top so that it doesn't look so flat? So I'm gonna give you guys a little tip here. You can take anything, a pencil, anything, and just go back and forth right here. And that's gonna help. I don't like to do it like generally right in the front. I like to do it a little further back. It just kind of helps to lift that a hair. So there's a tip. Try it out and let me know how you guys like it. again, this right here, we can go as high as we can with it. We really want to get a nice bend up here and get as much volume in the crown as we can. So I've been thinking a lot about like my brain and anxiety and everything that's happening in the world and what to do about it. And so I've kind of been thinking like, what do you do about it? And of course, if you feel the need to prepare or whatever, you stock up, whatever you feel the need to, I think it's a personal opinion. But I mean beyond that, like say you're prepared, say you have everything in your opinion that you need, then what? Like, you know, do you still live in fear and anxiety? But I've been thinking like, you know, we can't change the circumstances happening around us. All we can change is within us, like our circumstances within us. So our brain can do some really crazy things to us. And I'm trying to like tell my brain what to think instead of it telling me, if that makes any sense. So I would love to know, that's what I'm doing, but I would like to know what you guys, like how do you cope with the world and things going on in the world? What do you do to help? Or maybe it's just me who thinks these crazy things. But let me know. I would love to know. We're going to take this and flip it sideways and do it horizontal. I'm sorry, flip it upside down and do it horizontal, and it keeps these pieces really nice. There you go, and there you have it. Put a hat on. You're good to go. Have you guys? Is it just me, or have you guys also been wearing a lot of hats in your quarantine? Like, every day? Yeah, quarantine hats, to me, that's what's going on. So, what I like to do is, I still like to leave some pieces out in front, and take it and flip it over, leave a loop, spin it around again, bend that loop, and then take this guy one more time, and just pull. And it'll just create, you can stick a bobby pin in it to get the shape you want. Also, I like to pull it out here for a little height. And then sometimes too, I will tease these sides up to it. So, super quick, super easy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I would love to know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, let me know what you guys would love to see on the next tutorial. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye!